Hey everybody, it's Charlotte. Today on Maker's Moments, we're sharing with you the 10 biggest problems that candle makers face and how you can solve them. First, sweating. This is when the fragrance separates from the wax, often collecting on top of a container candle in small beads or even a small pool. This is fairly uncommon, but is often caused by rapidly moving a candle from one temperature to another. Soy wax is most sensitive with extreme temperature changes. To fix sweating, simply use a heat gun and gently move it over the surface of your candle until the wax has completely liquefied and the fragrance oil is reabsorbed into your wax. Next, jump lines. Also known as chatter and stuttering, these are the unintended horizontal lines or rings around the sides of either a container or a pillar candle. To prevent jump lines, try heating your glass if you're in a cooler environment or pouring your wax at a lower temperature. Tunneling. This occurs when the wick is too small for the diameter of the candle and a full melt pool cannot be achieved. A tunnel is then formed. A wax wall will be left around the perimeter of the candle. To fix tunneling, simply use the next wick width up or wick thickness up. In extreme cases, you may need to increase wick width and wick thickness. Next, when your candle won't light. This is most likely caused by using the incorrect type of wick. To find the appropriate wick for your candle, refer to the wick selection guide on woodenwick.com for our suggestions on which wick to use. Frosting, also known as wet spots, pull away, and delamination. Areas where the wax pulls away from the glass caused by inaccurate pouring temperatures or rapid ambient cooling. This is again most common with soy waxes. To prevent frosting, again try heating your glass or simply pouring your wax at a lower temperature. Modeling. The snowflake type appearance that can occur on a finished candle, most common in pillars. Try adjusting the pour temperature of your wax to prevent modeling. Sinkholes. Sinkholes or craters are actual cavities in the wax caused by air pockets trapped in a finished candle. This is most common with soy wax candles. They can be prevented by accurately following melting and pouring temperatures, as well as ensuring that candles are setting on a flat, undisturbed surface. They can be fixed using relief holes and finishing with a heat gun. See how to use a heat gun for more information. Poor glass adhesion. This occurs when the wax pulls away from the glass caused by inaccurate pouring temperatures or rapid ambient cooling. This is most common with soy wax. To prevent poor glass adhesion, try heating your glass with a heat gun or in the oven, or pouring your wax at a lower temperature. Pour hot or cold throw. Similar to the cold throw, the fragrance emitted from a candle when it is burning is known as the hot throw. This is unique to each candle maker's preference. Various wax types will give better hot throw. 100% soy wax has a reputation of poor hot throw, and you may need to increase your fragrance load up to 12% for a desired scent throw. Lastly, smoking. Smoking occurs when you're using a wick that is too large for your wax type or vessel size. To prevent smoking, you may need to wick down to the next lowest wick width or wick thickness. Ready to put your newfound knowledge into practice? What's a common challenge that you've faced as a candle maker? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay in the loop on all the latest makers tips and tricks. See you guys next time on Maker's Moments. Happy making!